guys, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to an introduction to what I will call my latest card series. So this is not a 10 handmade cards, one homemade kit kind of video. I feel like I'm going to take a break from that in the month of December, but I do want to create some cards just because, you know, I still want to create even though we're in a crazy busy season. And I figured that I will do kind of the same thing that I did in Stamp-tember, where I pulled out some of my new stamps and then created a few cards that I was able to kind of spread with 3 videos. And so this series I will call my rainbow series, just because I feel like we're going to be inundated with a lot of Christmas cards this year or this season, and so I feel like I'm gonna kind of, you know, be different and do some rainbow. I also actually really love rainbow just because of the you know, all of the colors are there. It's just bright and happy and just colorful. So that's what I'm doing here. So a few things that I plan on using are I want to make the goal that I have for this series is I want to be able to take that theme and use it in various kinds of cards. So my plan is that I was going to use a sentiment and then stamp this in different colors to make a rainbow sentiment. My plan is to pick one kind of solid, or not solid, but one shape, and then stamp that multiple times in different colors to create like a rainbow background. And I'm thinking I'm going to use this triangle right here, but maybe I'll like this one as well, so we'll see. And then of course I'm gonna do a basic rainbow using this die right here, and I also have made a few cards with this when I got this in the beginning of the year, and if I remember I'll make sure to share that video in the description box below. I also have this idea of like having strips of pattern paper and making a rainbow and then cutting them out into shapes. I also have the idea of just making paper, like using paper strips as my background and making a rainbow background. And so I'm going to use this scallop right here to create that, and plus of course the papers. I'm just going to pull out from my scraps, and these are all my cardstock scraps, and I'm hoping that I can use this and to create my colors. I'm also planning on using my inks to create that rainbow effect. But anyways, if you guys are interested in seeing what I create as far as rainbow cards, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell button so you'll be notified when I do start sharing my cards. And if you have any questions, make sure that you leave that in the description box below. Other than that, I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.